Today I'm going to do a very special video because my channel exists 1 year and I'm going to look back from most of the videos that I have created. Coming up on Zachary's 3D prints. Hello, I'm Zachary and on this channel you find everything you want to know about 3D printing with tips, tricks, tutorials, how to, review, news, anything 3D printing or 3D printer related you can find just right here. And if you're new to this channel and not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notifications button to get the latest videos right in your mailbox. And hey, thanks for being here. So, where did it all start? 1 year ago. I was sitting right over there, also with the same backlight and the espresso machine. I was sitting there and I was working on my CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D printer. It was an issue that I had for a very long time and I want to start with my channel solving problems. And this problem was solved during the video and you saw that I could start printing. Not everything was running smoothly because the lead screws had some issues. There were some other things that I want to solve. But then I started working on the nozzle with the hot end, and also there I also took the opportunity to make a video about. Then you also saw some beta testing for Prusa slicer, how to slice some kind of big models. So after using slicer software and sitting behind my desk right over there, I thought it was time to move up a little bit, and instead of sitting in my kitchen, I thought just put a bench over here, workers bench, and I put it here, and there I shot most of my videos. The bench was also not in this direction. Well, I'm actually standing right on the spot where it was standing all the time, but I was looking how to position the camera. I wasn't using this camera, I was using my iPhone. So I scaled a little bit up and I was also moving in another direction. A lot of videos were shot like this. During the September till January of this year, a lot of videos were shot right here. The bench was here and I work on my Ender 3 Pro with the CTC Prusa i3 standing right here. I did many videos here and I loved it. And many of the people also like the kitchen background, but I had to move. I had to move to a different location using also better lighting and better sound quality. The sound was not always that right because I was using a clip-on microphone, but the wire was too short. One of those videos was how to remove support material, and there you saw also this wire hanging from my iPhone to the shirt that I was wearing. And it's not always that convenient when you are just starting on YouTube, so you have to make some little tweaks to get it as right as possible. Well, now I upgraded to a different kind of camera, different kind of microphone, and I hope you also appreciate the audio and sound quality, but also the camera quality. It's not always that good, I don't know, but I need to learn to work with the Canon M50 camera. So now we are in the middle of my living room. Our living room has a space of 45 meters square. My kitchen is over there where I used to record all of my videos, but now I have my workbench over there. Use some cardboard to make a little separation between the stuff behind my workbench and maybe sometimes the views that you see on YouTube. Well, I keep that always a little bit downwards so that nobody will see the mess. I know. And then over there is my work desk. One part is for my full-time job I do home office right now, so I'm working on both sides. During the day I'm working, and in the evening I start making some scripts. I do some slicing, I record some videos, I also edit videos over there. And on my workbench, just come here, then we are going to look to my workbench. So behind me is my workbench. As some of the people can confirm, sometimes the bench is very messy, a lot of stuff going on there, and then during the recording, then everything is gone and you will see a very clean desk. I have a very clean desk policy, you know, but here's one of the lights that I'm using during the recording. It's a very nice LED light. It can be very bright, as you can see. Something like now. I'm like an angel right now, something like that. Or maybe not, I don't know. It's very bright, very useful. Daylight LEDs. So now the white balance need to come back. And now it's back. It's very warm here inside. It's something like 26 degrees. Sorry, 25.3 degrees, so almost 26 degrees. So I need to have some cooling here, because or else I will melt away, perhaps, I don't know. And on my workbench, I'm currently also working on the Z3DP slicer settings. Currently I'm working on the Cura version. I also noticed some little issues with the Z3DP 3D printer, which I'm going to cover in one of the videos that are going to come soon. So, and this is my workspace, my desk, where I edit most of my videos and where I record Zachary 3D prints, news and updates. Next to there, this part is from my home office. I currently working full-time, so this is the part that I do during the daytime, and in the evening I move to the other side and make some new scripts, look up for new things that I can bring for the 3D printing YouTube channel. So, and this is the part where I always stand when I'm recording. When I'm recording for some tutorials on the 3D printers, the how-to upgrades, the other things that I need a workbench for. I like this area. It's not that big, but it's space enough to do what I like to do here on the channel. And also, when I'm recording Zachary 3D prints, news and updates, you will see on the back side the CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D printer and also the Ender 3 Pro. And as I mentioned, I was doing a CR6 foldable filament holder, and now you can see why I did that. Because now I can put my Ender 3 right in the shelves without having anything with the spool on top of it. Very practical. Let's move the camera just a little bit further down the aisle. So, and now my Ender 3 Pro is currently printing some other upgrades that I am going to do on this channel pretty soon. Also, the CTC Prusa i3 MK2 3D printer conversion is still going on, and also the Z3DP 3D printer. There are some other upgrades that is still open to do to get better prints out of them all. So that was the 1-year anniversary video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Before I'm going to close this video, I'm going to give special thanks to all of the people who subscribed to my channel, who watched my videos, who gave some thumbs up, also gave positive comments, and also supported this channel in many other ways. So, and now the reveal from the giveaway for the End Claps BL Touch. The winner I will put right here in the video. If you are the winner, please contact me over on Twitter, DM me, or when you don't have Twitter, then go to my Facebook page, Zachary 3D Prints, and then write a message to me that you are the winner. Please do that as soon as possible so that we can move on with the giveaway. So in the future I will do more giveaways. Also for the 1000 subscriber milestone I want to do something special. So stay subscribed and check out my newest videos. On Zachary 3D Prints you find everything you want to know about 3D printing. Every Wednesday and Friday new upload. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and put on the notifications. If you're still watching, you are awesome. Thank you. On the end card there are some recommended videos worth watching. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and I will see you next time. And hey, let's make some fun with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye.